everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Passion Flower Tote, a blue calla pattern. This is such an amazing, classy bag. I mean, look at these detail accents and strapping. It is a large bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's got this decorative, well, it's not decorative, it's actually a large slip pocket with full piping along here. There's the back. It has a recessed zipper, and on the inside I have two slip pockets and a decorative zipper pocket, purse feet, detachable crossbody strap. I don't know, I love this bag so much. Most blue calla patterns are just absolutely amazing. It can be made in faux leathers. I've made this one in upholstery fabric. It's actually fuzzy. I just love it. It can be made in cottons. It can be made in canvases. It can be made in pretty much anything that you would like. Yeah, this is just such a fun everyday bag, travel bag. It's a medium to large size bag. This is a perfect Brandy size bag, that's for sure. Anyways, if you would like to order one of these in your choice of fabrics, colors, hardwares, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.